You're too close.
Sorry.
Wow, that's not focused.
My saddle feels so up.
Yeah. Under. No.
Just gonna try to little and get her used to it. Rising on my leg.
Sit twice and do it again.
I did.
You're going too fast. Glee does lead changes and stuff in her canners. It's so good.
Oh, good girl.
Like a flying change. It's so good. And you don't really even ask her to. She just does it.
That's so weird. Oh, God. Oh, God.
It's so hard to get it focused.
No way we can do that. That's good enough. They'll just release them.
I know.
Like I mean after the jumps and stuff. That's probably when she'll be a dick. I just dropped my reins. Or is it a stupid stop that I hate? Okay. That was good. Get her to try and sidestep, see if she behaves. Oh, look at you, Minty. That's too far. Get up.
She's like, I don't want to do this anymore, Mommy. I want to rear instead.
She's like, I have one, so that's the way that I want you to go.
No, this does not mean up.
Okay, what? No, stop, come on. Wait. I think we're backing away from you.
Wow, it's really good in focus right now.
Good girl.
I can literally see Sam and Dean on your t-shirt.
Backing up. Backing up.
She's like, no, Mom.
Right. Oh. Come on.
Don't get any closer. I'm as zoomed out as I can be.
Stop. Couple good ones. Don't. As well.
Really? And I'm trying.
Good girl. These photos and I'll just feel like cantering and trotting around, almost drop my reins like twice.